Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set work profile on Android. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device and your device settings will be displayed. For older phones, scroll down a little bit and access the accounts and backup feature from the menu. Now, tap on Manage Accounts at the top and select Add Account from the bottom. Inside it, tap on Google and then follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. To set up the work profile for newer phones, simply get to the home page of the Settings app and access Google. Tap on the All Services tab and then scroll down to the bottom. From this menu, choose Setup and Restore and select Set up your work profile from the page. Tap on the next button and wait for it to load. Once it is complete, you will be prompted to scan the code, or you can enter it manually if you want. Simply follow the prompts to complete the setup process. So that's basically how you can set work profile on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.